Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment. Today we will discuss student the activities that the farmers do to grow the crops. So what are the main activities that are done by the farmer to grow his crop? First is the preparation of soil, second is sowing, third is adding manure and fertilizer, fourth is irrigation, fifth is protecting from weeds, sixth is harvesting, seventh is storage. All these activities are the important for the farmer student to grow more and more crops. If one activity is missed by the farmers, then he will not get the good crop. So what the farmers should do? Farmers should do these all activities in a proper sequence. First activity that the farmers do, it is preparation of soil, in which what the farmers do, student, farmers do the loosening or turning of the soil, and this process is known as flowing. And with the help of this, the farmers can grow or can sow the seeds, and with the help of those seeds the crops can be produced. So what the farmers do in the preparation of the soil? For the preparation of the soil, first the farmer irrigates their fields, because due to the irrigation farmers can easily turn or lose the soil, and in this the farmers use plow, hoe and cultivator. Plow and hoe are used with the animal, student. Now what is the plow? Plow is the ancient agricultural tool that was used by the ancient farmers to grow the crops. In this there are the two bodies are found. One is the triangular strip and another is wooden handle. With the help of these two parts, the farmers plow their fields with the help of animal, student, like the ox or bull. Hoe is also one agricultural tool, student. It also contains one triangular strip, and with the triangular strip a one iron rod is found, and with the help of that the farmers can remove the weed from their fields. Weed means unwanted or undesirable plants. With this, now in the modern farming, student, generally the farmers use the tractor. They don't use the animals like the bull or the ox. What they use the tractors. So with the tractors there are one particular agricultural tool is used, that is known as cultivator. That cultivator contains many triangular strips. With the help of that, student, farmers can easily plow their fields in a short period of time. With this, there are another agricultural tools are also used for the preparation of the soil. It is plank and leveler. Now what is plank, student? When the farmers plow their fields, then due to the flowing or due to the loosening or the tilling of the soil, there are many soil cramps are produced. Those soil cramps or big stone of soil are broken with the help of plank, and after breaking the plank, that particular field is leveled with the help of leveler. Leveler are also the two types. One is used by the domestic animals like the ox, and another is used by the tractors. And with the help of that leveler, farmer level their fields, because the leveling is the important task from which the farmer can easily irrigate their fields and they can grow more crop student. Because if the field is properly leveled, then from that leveling the all the crop plants can easily get the water. So it is good for irrigation. Next is sowing student. It is the second step. After the preparation of the soil, what the farmers do student? They sow the seeds in their fields. For this they use the two devices. Funnel body, that is used with flow if they sow the seed with the help of animals. Then a funnel like body is adjusted with flow, and with the help of that they sow the seed. With this there are the seed drills are also used. Now these seed drills are used with the cultivators student. Now the cultivators or the seed drills are adjusted, from which the farmers can easily sow the seed in large fields student. Now before sowing the seed, there is one important task is done by the farmer. That is the selection of the seed. In this, the farmer first select the seed. With the help of agricultural experts or the scientist, he select the seed. And after the selection, there is one important task is done by the farmer. What they do student? They dip all the seeds in the water, in which the good quality seed are settled down at the bottom of the pot, but the poor quality of the seeds are float at the top of the water. So with the help of this, the poor quality seeds are separated and only the good quality seeds are sown in their fields. With the help of this activity, they select the good quality seed and they get the good cultivation of the crop student. So these are the two important tasks. Next is adding manure and fertilizers. Now what is manure student? Manures are the organic substances, means manures are the nutrient having substance that are produced by the biodegradable waste, like the cow dung or the plant's waste, it is produced. And fertilizers are the inorganic substances, inorganic chemical substances, and they are prepared in the industries. Manure are good for the crop student because they don't harm the crop, and they also provide the humus to the soil, and with this they also increase the water percolation rate. But the fertilizers are not good. Why? Because they don't provide the humus to the soil student, and they also disturb the natural composition of the soil, and both are utilized to increase the nutrient in the soil. There are the three important nutrients are needed by the plant mainly student: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. And these all nutrients can be provided with the help of manure and fertilizers. So these are the three important tasks that are done by the farmer to grow the crops. Remaining four we will discuss in our next segment. So thanks student. Now you will do these all activities at your home. You can have one pot for this. First you prepare the soil, and after the preparation you can sow the seed or you can grow the plant in that pot. And other remaining activities that are done by the farmer, we will do that in our next class.